See a lot to cover tonight, and we begin with what a new report calls a prolific problem in our courts, and it involves withholding evidence. We told you last week the nation's top court is trying to decide whether Oklahoma death row inmate Richard Glossip will get a new trial, hinging largely on key evidence not revealed in his murder for hire trial. I listened to criminal justice group Appleseed that claims not just Glossip, but hundreds of others could be deserving of a new trial, and they're holding prosecutors accountable. 2014, after 19 years in prison, Tulsan Michelle Murphy set free, wrongfully convicted in the death of her infant son. In 2019, Corey Atchison found innocent after spending 28 years in prison for murder,
and believes that state witnesses were coerced by investigators to provide false testimony.
Those overturned convictions highlighted in nonprofit Appleseed's new report claiming pervasive misconduct in Oklahoma, mainly involving withheld evidence by prosecutors. It's known as a Brady violation based on a 1963 Supreme Court ruling.
It's a good ruling. It's like one of the cornerstones of criminal practice, but it's really hard to enforce because the person who's deciding what is helpful to you is also the person that's prosecuting you, and they stand to win if they don't turn over everything.
Colleen McCarty and her colleagues wanted to know how many still in prison may be denied a fair trial. They narrowed focus to murder cases from 1990 to 2004 in Oklahoma, Tulsa, and Pontotoc counties, areas and a time frame they call most notorious.
A lot of people were getting plea deals. A lot of people were getting, they weren't charged when they should have been charged, and then they were testifying against people. And a lot of that evidence is considered Brady evidence.
Findings show 500 potential Brady violations against those still in prison, with 9 where the misconduct is, quote, highly probable. They estimate up to 30% of cases from that time frame may deserve a new trial. Appleseed believes a major problem is, even if the inmate gets an appeal, current Oklahoma court rules don't seem to align with Brady because it's very difficult to include any new evidence. They're urging the courts to change that and a number of other things, including the time frame prosecutors have to hand over evidence to the defense. Right now, they can wait until only 10 days before trial. There are consequences for prosecutorial misconduct, but the report said any punishment is rare. It highlighted one prosecutor in Oklahoma who was fined but not disbarred.